Hi, Boyd Rollins here with Pro Marketers Alliance, and today I'm excited you joined us for our series on blogging. We're going to start with a quick start guide to setting up your blog. I've taken the guesswork out of it. All you have to do is watch this video step by step, very clearly explained, and you're going to have your blog completely set up. So if you've been struggling at all, or if you're brand new and you just want to make sure that you're doing it right the first time, this tutorial video is for you. Let's start with my own blog. My blog is empowernetwork.com/brollins. That's my URL. Yours will be empowernetwork.com/your username. And I'll show you how to customize the background headers, how to customize your home photo. I'll also be going to show you how to put together an author biography section, how to put together a little picture here. Also on the side banners, we've got all these things that you can put in here. You can have links in here, you can have banners in here. More recent posts, here's another banner. Here's some of the links to another site to get authority passed on. So there's a lot of different things you can do here. And you can also, if you have a primary company that's not Empower, you can put that information there with banners or however that company works. Now, blogging can be quite lucrative. I mean, imagine if you just hypothetically had 2 blog posts a day for a year. That's 365 days in a year. And let's say you took a couple weeks off. That's still 350 days. In blog posts, if you're doing 2 a day, that's 700 blog posts being indexed by Google. And if you know what you're doing, if you've got a little bit of link popularity, if you have some good titles using some good keywords, and all this is stuff we're going to be going over. You're going to learn how to do this. It results in massive traffic. We'll teach you how to turn that massive traffic into leads so that when people click on these ads and opt into your list, they're then going to convert those leads into sales, and most of this is going to be done passively. What I love about blogging is that once it's all set up, you have all this passive income from the search engines. So let's set up your blog. Let's start with how to change your site's title and description. This is extremely basic, but at the same time it's often overlooked. In fact, if you were going to go on Google to a lot of sites, this is one of the most overlooked features. So what you're going to do is click on your members login, and you're going to go into your members area, and then you're going to click on the link that says log in and start blogging. It takes you to your Power Network viral blogging system. And the dashboard looks like this. You can see there's a lot of different things you can do here. Now, one of the first things we want to do, they've set up an easy mode up here. Right now we're going to not be using easy mode, we're going to be using normal. Easy mode makes it very, very simple, but because I'm going to walk you through this step by step, it's going to be a lot easier if we exit easy mode. So that the very first thing you want to do is click on exit easy mode if it's in easy mode. Now let's change your site description. So you're going to go over here to settings, and you can see when you hover over that, you're going to see general. So you just click on general. You've got a site title up here. You want to put something in there, and you want to put something in here in your tagline. Try to say something that makes people want to click on your website, and you can always change this later. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to add your bio picture. Now the way the bio picture works, it's a thumbnail that's coming from a site called gravatar.com, gravatar.com. Here's what the site looks like. So what you're going to go to this site, and you're going to first of all put your email address in here, click get your Gravatar, and they will then send you an email to confirm your email address, and you're going to then just click back on that, and you're going to be able to upload your picture. Before you do that, you want to go find a picture that you want to use. Then you're going to upload that picture. It's really pretty simple. You upload it, you can crop it if you want, and you can get your picture all set up, and that's all you have to do. That'll automatically go in there. Now let's add some links and content to your sidebar. I showed you that there's banner ads and you can have recent posts. So what you want to do here is you want to go over to Appearance in your dashboard, and you want to go to Widgets. Now this system works real simple. you see something in this area here, and you can just drag it across over to this side. Now over here is what we've actually set up, and you can do things similar to this. You can see all these different things here. What you're going to do is just take tags, and you're going to just hold it and drag it across. And let me show you what I've done here. And give me a second to make this a little larger so you can see what's going on. And this does take a little bit of HTML code in here, but you can just copy the code. To start with, you can just type in things. This is a text thing. But also here's a link to get access to the free video training that we're having right now. Also, there's a link to Empower Network so that they can click on that. You can just copy this same kind of stuff, just put in a different links that you want, but this is how to put the code in, and you can do some very similar to that. Now you can also have recent posts. That was just dragged over here, and I just put a title of recent posts. I put 5 in there. Here's another code that I put in, and this just brought over a banner. So you can do the same thing with yours if you have something else that you want to have a banner for. You can have links that are going to other sites. One of the nice things about Empower, it's very high authority site. So when you link from Empower to one of your other sites, it's going to bring authority there. So I've set it up here so that it's just going to show the link name, and there are 5 links. Now you can have more if you want. And let's just go over and I'll show you how to do the links. After you've got that set up so they're going to show up, now you can just go over to click on links, add new, and you're just going to put in here whatever your description is, and here's the link that it's going to go to, and add link, and it's that simple. And you can just add as many of those as you want. Just want to have a description that is going to entice people to want to click on it, having the actual location of where you want them to go with it. So as you can see, all this stuff is real simple to do. Now let's add your custom photo to the head of your blog. Now if you recall, that was the top picture. Your picture should be 260 by 278, and that's in pixels. There's a tool that is best to work this. It's called picresize.com. That's PICRESIZE.com. And you can just take a picture in there, and then they can crop it for you, and they can make it the size that you want it. So you want to try get it to 260 in width. Once you've got that done, then you just click I'm done, resize my picture, and save it to the computer. It's resized properly. You can mess around it a couple times if you want, see how you look. Maybe you want to zoom in on the picture more. There's a lot of different things you can do on that. But once you're finished, save it to your computer. And then what you want to go is go over to Appearance, and there's a thing called Home Photo. So you want to click on that. And you can see here, just choose a file and upload it, and then you can have your pic there, and that will be the picture that will show up on your blog. Now let's go and update your profile. And what you want to do there, you want to tell them a little bit about yourself. You want to go to Users, and you've got a profile here. And this is the section where you're going to put in anything about yourself, because you can also put code in this as well. So you can put links, you can have anything else you want to talk about yourself. You want this to be appealing so people want to be part of what you're doing. But you can see you can put the code in here just like we did on the sidebars. And that's it. Now you should have everything set up on your blog. You're ready to go. The next training we're going to have is how do you write your first blog, and then you're all set to start making some money. So look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. This is Boyd Rollins.